In this video, we're going to show you how to install a door switch in your dishwasher. So to install a door switch on your dishwasher, the first thing we're going to do is put our wires on the switch. And we're just going to push those on. There's just two wires and it's an AC circuit, so we don't have to worry about which one goes which. So you can reverse them if need be, it won't make any difference. And you'll notice they're nice and snug as they go on, and that's what you want. If they're really loose, then you're going to need to tighten up that connection or possibly even have to replace it. So you want a nice tight fit. Then you're just going to insert your switch back into your door latch assembly. And you'll see on the switch it has two holes. And there's corresponding pins on the plastic piece of the latch. So we're just going to slide those pins up through those holes of the switch. And we'll take our screw, put it into the hole, and re-secure it. And again, on some makes of dishwasher, these aren't held by a screw. They may just be little plastic fingers that are molding from the door latch, and they'll just snap in and the switch will be held. So whichever type of retainer yours has, that's what you'll be working with. So now that we have our switch in place, we'll be looking at re-securing the console and putting the front of the door back on. So now we'll just bring our console up into place. Bring our door down. You just want to make sure you get it up over that lip. You can see it has a little cushioning strip. You want to make sure that's inside. And now we can just put a couple of screws in to hold it. And now that that's secured, we're just going to allow our door to come back up. So we're just going to bring our door panel up, and we want to align these corners where these metal tabs are. So we're going to be sliding our panel down behind these metal tabs, so that'll allow us to open the door and our panel won't try and fall away on us. So now we can open our door and put our screws back in. And that's how easy it is to install the door switch on your dishwasher.